Today I have a 2006 Infiniti G35 and it has an exhaust leak. I'll show you where the pretty common failure point is for the exhaust leak on this guy here. It's actually, you actually can't see it very well, but you can hear it, and I'll go ahead and point it out for you. Get this thing started. And so with some exhaust leaks, once the exhaust warms up, the sound will actually go away. This never goes away. So typically what that means is there's a pretty big hole somewhere. So go ahead and show you what that looks like and sounds like. Alright, so hopefully you can hear that pretty good. I'll show you exactly where it's at. Alright, so we'll come and look under the car. And typically, where the leaks are on the G35. Let's see if I can make this a little brighter. A little windy out here today. Right here where this wide pipe is. So you have the front of the car, you have a cat. There's a cat on the other side, and then you have it where it connects right here to this wide pipe. You typically like the leak, or where the leak is on this one, it's right here. This is a flexible joint. Right here. Okay. And you can't actually see the hole. I mean, it's a little damaged here from, hitting stuff on the highway. But actually this joint is flexible. It's a bunch of like squished up piping, and it's made to move back and forth. And basically it's moved back and forth so much that it's cracked open. So you can't see the leak, but this is where the leak's coming from. Pretty much you can go to a muffler shop and have them cut it out and they can replace it. Or you're going to do what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the junkyard, probably get this wide pipe off another G35 because it just unbolts. Right here there's a flange here, flange there, there's a flange here. So this whole piece of pipe they'll probably sell it to me for 20 bucks. And hopefully I'll check out the junkyard one, make sure that hopefully it doesn't leak also, it's not broken also. So typically that's where the exhaust leaks happen. That's the most common failure point on your exhaust system. Well, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button if you want to see me replace that thing. And if you made it this far, hit that thumbs up button. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.